Yo, dude, let's go! Woo! Anyways, this first one, we're just gonna have some fun with it. I am actually gonna do a wingsuit flyby on this dude and this chick. Flag streamer wingsuit flyby, I mean, like. Yeah, so I've got this really dope shot in mind that is going to be basically me in the wingsuit with the little unicorn mount up front with the 360 camera. And as I fly through Mojo with the flag and Daniela with the streamer, hopefully you'll be able to see Mojo on my one side, Daniela on my other side, and it's gonna be an epic shot. Oh, Mackie Mac.
Live and in person and living right here on planet Earth. That's me, Mac Daddy. That's Skydive Castroville.
I may have to ditch Mojo and Daniela for that bad boy right there. Look at that. All right, we got smokes. Gotta set these up for later. And yeah, that'll be later tonight. Hey, Mr. Line Twist.
I'm on it. My sister came home.
What in the heck is going on with these people? I'm having applications for a new crew at the link below.
Hey, what's going on, Coach?
Evan's got an opening on his crew. I don't know what else to say. I really hope I get it this year.
If you would like to be part of the new team to replace line twist, we need a resume of videos where you don't have any line twists, but you're as funny and as good looking as Mojo.
Why would I ever not pack line twist? Okay, otherwise skydiving's just boring.
I'm gonna do a line twist video. It's just gonna be linked like here, doing that typical YouTuber thing. It's there, it's there, it's there, and it's there. All right, we got 2 more loads of tandems, and I don't want to talk too much more, so I'm just gonna go back to eating candy. Later.
Oh my gosh.
I got booked into a dog sitting thing. Did the last video get 70 likes?
No, you don't touch. You don't touch.
Look at that.
Don't touchy.
I don't have any on the front or the back. Mojo doesn't got any. He's doing it right. It just bothers me. Like anyone with any kind of OCD
just got that back from the shop, man.
All right, we're ready to go. I'm starving. I'm probably gonna pass out while we fly, but hey, makes it interesting. Flat Spin City. All right, so flyby. 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
What's up, dude? Can you hear me? Alright. Handles. You good, or do I need to get down to you a little bit? Dude, this is so dope. Alright, I'm gonna deploy early. Okay. Alright, there he is. Here he comes. Hold this heading. He's behind us. To our right. Alright, Evan, I see you. You're coming in. Stay this distance. Yeah! Yo, dude! Let's go!
Where are you coming from? Oh, shit!
Woo! Oh, man. Dude! Oh, my gosh, dude! Oh, my gosh, bro! Can you guys hear me or no?
Yeah.
Dude, sick. Woo! I got you, buddy. Hi.
Yeah, I hear you.
Dude, that was so sick. And flare. Yeah! Nice job. There you go. There you go. Yeah! Oh, dude. Bro.
Couldn't see you.
Did you hear me counting down?
I
was
like barely.
Yeah, it kept going in and out, and I was like, all right, guys, I see you, and I could hear you guys talking like in and out. Oh, sick, dude. That was the perfect amount of separation between you guys for me to just shh right there. You like that little barrel roll too? I did that extra for you.
Dude,
just for you, bro.
I can't wait to look at my footage because it's just me at the harness. Just,
Yeah, I know. I could hear you on radio.
dude, I'm sorry for screaming in your ear, but that was
Oh,
sick.
man. Get over here, Garrett.
Is that good?
Bro, that was so sick.
yeah.
Perfect.
I'm glad. Dude, I was like,
split them
you were
right
like-
between the middle.
I was like, wait.
Sorry. You're good. Woo! That was sick, guys. All right, let's pack up and let's do it for real.